It looks like a giant butterfly rising from the ground. Its wings interconnected with a central spine. There's a lot of glass and a lot of steel.
It has more steel than the Eiffel Tower.
N. Chandrasekaran is the CEO of Tata Consultancy Services, India's largest technology firm. He says this futuristic office complex reflects the company on many levels.
It represents our scale, it represents the aspiration of people, it represents the success of the Indian IT industry, it represents the future.
In the near future, these buildings will house 24,000 employees called associates.
Most of your employees are under the age of 25. How does this building then cater to their aspirations?
You see, the IT industry is young. Our average age of employees is about 28. And they all have huge aspirations. They want to build great careers. So it becomes very important as an employer. We offer our associates a holistic life. It's about giving them a great environment. It's about an environment where they can ideate, collaborate. It will help us to attract the right talent, but more importantly, retain the right talent.
The campus has water bodies, landscaped gardens, 146 kinds of trees, and uses solar panels to generate electricity. Beautiful surroundings, but at the end of the day, it's about branding and winning business.
Having a building like this, do you think it'll help you improve your stature, your image with clients around the world?
Definitely, this campus establishes our brand strongly. Many of our customers who visit here for the first time, they're absolutely awed and impressed by what we have been able to achieve. And they also appreciate the kind of work environment we give for our associates. Because in the early days, it's often thought that the work environment in India will not match with the work environment in the West.
That was the case for many years, wasn't it?
Yeah, but if you really look at it today, I think it'll rank among the best facilities anywhere in the world. In fact, in most cases, it'll surpass anything else you have.
TCS spent $500 million on this building and has earmarked another $1 billion to fund state-of-the-art offices over the next 5 years, each one in a different architectural style. Why has design been so important to TCS?
I think it's very important because that's what we expect from our people also. So our associates also have to deliver the kind of solutions that are special, that are compelling, and that are satisfying the needs of the customers. So you got to promote quality everywhere.